trying to find out, get explanations. I'm the mother. I'm the one.
Listen, number one, by law, I'm not allowed to give any information.
She's the mother.
By
I'm not
law,
talking
what
to
are you
you.
talking about, my law?
You have a problem? Ask your lawyer.
She's the biological
You
mother.
gave my son glasses.
I didn't give, I sold.
You
I sell
sold
them.
my son
Correct.
glasses. I'm the mother.
Okay.
I'm entitled to know my son is going to wear these glasses.
Correct.
What prescription you
Ask
gave
your
him?
doctor. He bought me a prescription from a doctor.
Let's see it.
But you're the one that has it. So
You be
you're the one
quiet.
responsible.
I'm responsible for me.
You're the one that
Sue me.
sold it.
Where's the prescription?
I need
By
to know
the
the
father.
prescription.
Where's the prescription? Get a copy. By HIPAA law.
pointing
HIPAA
at
law,
me.
you have to have a
I did
copy.
nothing.
HIPAA.
HIPAA?
Yeah, you have to have a copy of the prescription. You want to see the law? I have it. I have it.
You have to subpoena me.
For the prescription that you have?
Absolutely.
Okay.
The doctor that examined him have to give you.
Listen to me.
Where is the prescription that you gave the child's glasses?
Father has it. I don't have it.
You have it. You by law you have to.
Okay.
That's the mother. This is the biological mother. Do not point at him.
Okay, not with
Now, do me a favor. I'm gonna break your phone if you record me. Okay, you have no right to. You have no right to record me. Okay,
Here, stop it.
come, fucking asshole. Okay, thank you. Hello? Don't go. Okay, bye. Now you fucked. Now you fucked. Come, you asshole. You're not gonna leave it because I'm gonna take you down.
I'm staying. I'm staying. Yes.
I'm gonna press charges.
Yes. Okay. Deal.
Okay.
Agreed.
I'm not going anywhere. I'm going to my children.
Go to your children. Watch. He's following you. I got him on tape. He's following you. I got him on tape.
Why?
You take pictures of the children. You just took pictures of the children? You just hit me? Stay away from the children. I got a witness right there. You're taking pictures of 7-year-old children. You just took a picture of the children.
I took the picture of the light.
No problem. I'm not moving. Why are you next to the children? Go back in your store. Go back in your store. Stay away from the children. Why are you so close to the children?
Why you taking picture? You're gonna need a lawyer tonight. You out.
You just hit me on video. You know that. I wasn't in your store.
You weren't in my store.
I was out. I was in your store.
got everything.
I know you did. I was in your store.
Okay.
But I came out of your store and then you hit me and followed me.
You have no right. They're coming. Give yourself a Jew.
Go on. You gave eyeglasses to a child with what prescription? You won't give it?
No.
To the mother?
No.
To the biological mother?
No, the doctor that examined.
Where is the prescription?
The doctor that examined.
Where is the prescription that you took in theory?
That's the doctor.
Where did you?
She
But
took
how do
it
I
to
know
a
you
doctor.
took? How do I know that you gave him with the prescription? Show me the prescription.
I have to show you this.
No, the mother. What? Oh, the mother is the biological mother that you just spoke to.
I don't want him to run away.
I'm not running away. I won't run away. I won't run away. He's afraid I'm going to run away, so he won't move away from me. And the kids are in the car. He won't move. But I won't run away. I promise. I'm here. Everything's on video. He won't move away. And he hit me.
The guy's crazy.
He won't move away from me. I know he's elderly. I know. You said he's elderly.
No, it's okay.
Why is he here? I'm gone. I'm gone. So then go back in the store. I know. I know. I know. Go. I know. I know. I know. I know. Thank you. What's your name? What's your name? Oh, okay. Don't give it. Why are you still outside next to my children?
Get the fuck out of here.
Got it. I got it. Why don't you go back in your store and stop threatening us? Go in your store. You understand, the mother is right here of the children. You're next to 7 and 10-year-old. Why? And you hit me. You took pictures of children? Go back in your store. Why are you threatening me and coming closer? It's in the cloud already anyway.
Yeah, I press it. I press in charges.
It's all on video, so don't lie. And I know Hebrew. I went to Brandeis.
You went to Brandeis? Yeah, מסכן.
Misken.
הוא ממש מסכן.
Mamash bisken. I don't know Hebrew.
יש לו מסכן.
Leish lo misken.
בטח.
Betach. Betach. Good.
כן.
Good.
מה אתה
Give her a
שולח
thumbs up.
פה אנשים?
Give her a thumbs up.
תעשה לי טובה.
Like this. Thank you. We got 2 videos now. Go in your store. The cops will be, don't worry, I'm not going anywhere. The cops will be here. I'm fine. I'm staying here. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'm staying. I promise. Just go in your store. It's dangerous in the street. You're in the middle of the street. Why are you threatening us? I'm with 2 children. They're young and a mother.
You walking into my store.
I didn't make chaos. You have it on video. Show it on video. You videotape. Show it on video. Yes, and I left. You did, and I left.
What's the reason I threw you out?
Why? Tell me.
No, you tell me.
No, you tell me you had it on
Because
video.
you're a nice guy, you normal.
Tell me on video.
Because you're normal.
I am. Tell me on video. No, tell me on video.
You're a normal guy.
Good, go on. It's called defamation. Tell me. Why are you in the middle of the street? It's not safe.
I can give you the doctor's name that examine his eyes.
I asked for the prescription that you have.
Yeah, I am not allowed to give you by law.
Give it to the mother, biological mother. By law, you have to.
By law, I have to.
You have to, biological mother. She's right here.
Whoever bought me the prescription.
Easy. Step back. Step back right now. Step back.
Step back.
I am formally requesting you step back.
That's back. That's back. Idiot.
And it's in the cloud right away.
You should take pills. Did you take your pills today?
That's called defamation.
It's called Prozac. That's what you need.
Go on. I am formally requesting that you step back. I am formally requesting you step back.
I'm pressing kiss my ass. Can you kiss my ass?
Stay away from the children. 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 You're coming closer to the children. Stay away from the children. What are you? I don't care what you're writing there. Write down anything. Stay away from the children. You're closer to the children now.
Guess what? I see you in court. Here they are.
Officer, the mother is here. It's all on video.